In this video, I will show you how you can set up lenses. Preset lenses offer you a quick way of viewing all of the content Chemical Watch has to offer related to a specific region, topic, sector, or substance. To get started, you can click the white bar at the top of the page to quickly go to the content that you're most interested in seeing. You can also create your own personalized lenses to save time and ensure you stay up to date. To create personalized lenses, simply do a search in the search bar and click Enter on your keyboard. You can then come to the right-hand side and see this blue button that says Save to Lens. You are also able to save your lens by coming into your filter and using the button that says Save to Lens. From here, you can set up personalized notifications to alert you to areas that are most important to you. For example, we can name our lens, choose to have it notify us when new content is added, and how often you want to receive those email notifications. You are also able to share your lens view with colleagues so they can keep up to date with the same key topics. You just need to enter their email address and choose the type of access they will have, either view only or edit. And from here, you can save your lens by clicking Create. You are now able to access all of your lenses on the left-hand side by clicking into this blue arrow. And we can then see all of the lenses you have saved. You are also able to see when new content is added to your lens by going to the bell icon in the upper right-hand corner.